Hi everyone, welcome to this course, 3D logo animation with motion graphics. My name is Sunny and we will be using an Illustrator file to create these 3D motion graphics using the Cinema 4D renderer built within After Effects, so there's no need to buy any plugins. In this logo example, we're going to go from a 2D animation into a 3D animation. We're going to be using a layered file. We're going to go into reflections, dynamic camera angles, lighting, and much more. The Cinema 4D renderer was introduced to After Effects CC 2017, so 2017 and above is all that's going to be required, and just a basic understanding of After Effects will help. However, I do go through this in a step-by-step format so you can just follow along. So let's get started. You're welcome to use the project files provided, or you can use one of your own files and just follow along and make your own 3D project.